everyone, welcome back. So here I'm going to start a new playlist, that is a Java programming language. So many students are requesting me to explain the Java programming concepts. So in this playlist I'm going to cover what exactly the Java programming language is and what are the logic behind each and every statement and each and every word also. Okay, so one thing you had to remember, students, this playlist is mainly useful for the people who wants to develop the project and the people who wants to enter into any software organization. So this is very useful to those students. Why I'm saying to develop project and to for software organization, because here the concepts that I'm going to cover explain is everything is a logic related. Okay, so the logic is missing everywhere. The logic is missing in the code. People are fear to develop any programming language. The main reason is they don't know the logics. Okay, they don't know what exactly the statement is. So first try to understand the statement. Whatever the statement you are writing, first try to understand the statement, each and every word. Then it is very easy for you to develop any programming language. This is sure. Okay, so try to understand the each and every word in the statement and the logic that you need to be applied whenever the situation is coming. Okay, so this, I think this, whatever the playlist I am going to start, this will become the foundation for you to develop any project. Okay, and for the people who wants to enter into the software organization, these logics are very, very important for you. Okay, so let's start. Because the theory, why I'm not much focusing on the theory, means the theory you can it can be there in any websites. Okay, you can easily search and you can try to understand, but only the thing is explanation is required. So I hope you will understand. Still, if you are facing any doubt, whatever the topic that I am explaining, please mention in the comment as early as possible. I'll try to rectify your doubts. Okay, so in the first 2 to 3 videos, I'll just give an overview, because the starting thing is it's a basic. If you want to enter into any organization, they give the technical questions. In the technical questions also, they will ask some basic questions. So for that, I'll just give an overview regarding the Java and Java fundamentals and why we are using this Java software. So that I'll explain. So then we will go with the logic snippet. Okay, so the logic codes. So whatever the statement I'll take in, I'll explain that concept with a program, right? Okay, now let's start with what exactly the Java is. What do you mean by Java? So why we are using this Java? So what is the need of that? So is it required? So many questions. Everyone is having so many questions. So previously we are using to go with the programming languages like C, C++. Then why we are shifting to the Java? Everything, a reason is there. So starts with the C and C++. So each and every program is having their own advantages. But to overcome those advantages as well as the disadvantages are there. So to overcome the disadvantages in C, we go with the C++. To overcome the disadvantages in C++, we are going with the Java. Like that. To overcome those disadvantages, a new programming language will be introduced. Okay, so now coming to what exactly the Java is. So we know that Java is a general purpose. It is used for the general purpose language. Okay, and Java is a class based. So what is this class based? Don't get confused. I'll explain what exactly the class is and when we are using the class and what is exactly this class. Okay, where we will use. So in the Java programming, we use the class concepts. And another, it is object oriented programming language. We call it as object oriented programming language. So these 3 steps, remember. A Java is a general purpose, class based and object oriented programming language. Okay, so then why we are using this Java? So design, okay, this Java is designed for having lesser implementation. So I am stressing the word lesser implementation. Okay, so here you no need to implement or you no need to write too much of code, because already so many packages that are inbuilt in the Java software. So for the programmers, it is very easy to write the code in the Java. No need to write a code for each and every word, each and every statement, each and every method. So it has so many built-in functions will be present in the Java. Okay, so this Java is designed for having a lesser implementation dependencies. So for application development, what generally, for if you want to develop any application, for application development, okay, so it is a computing platform. I am calling it is a computing platform. If you want to write any application it's nothing but if you want to write any program, so for that program a platform is required. So where you are going to execute that program and where you have to go into run, so for that platform is required. So this, for developing any application development, a computing platform, this Java acts as a computing platform. Okay, and this Java is very fast, secure and reliable. Fast, secure and reliable. So for this case we are using this Java. Still so many points are there where while we are working on each and every concepts, you will get an idea what exactly this Java is. Okay, it's not a simple thing. Java, it's an ocean. Okay, so many points. Wherever you are going to go, you are trying to learn a new concepts in the Java. So one thing here you have to remember that Java is a general purpose. It has a class-based and object-oriented programming language, and it is designed, why we designed this Java, so for having a lesser implementation dependencies, we are working on the Java. And it is one of the fast, secure and reliable. And in the Java, we are using a flat platform. That is what I said. Java is a platform. Okay, Java platform, where you are writing the program. So for Java, what is this Java platform? It's a collection of programs. Java platform is nothing but a collection of programs. So in the platform, collection of programs are there. So why we are using this collection of programs? These collection of programs helps the programmer. Programmer means you are the programmer. The people who are listening my video, they want to develop a language. Okay, they want to create a software, anything. So it helps, the collection of program helps the programmer to develop and run Java programming applications efficiently. Java programming applications efficiently. Okay, so what is this Java platform? It's nothing but a collection of programs. So why we are using this collection of programs? These collection of programs helps the programmer to develop and run the Java programming applications efficiently. So what exactly this Java platform includes? This Java platform includes execution engine. It consisting of execution engine, compilers are there, and its set of libraries will be present. Set of libraries. So these points you have to remember, students. So Java platform, it's a collection of programs, helps the programmer to develop and run, and it includes the compilers and the set of libraries. So here we came across one word in the Java platform, JDK. What do you mean by JDK? So first of all, when you want to try to install any Java platform, we are going to download the JDK. JDK, it's nothing but Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. What is this? It is a Java software, nothing but a Java software. JDK is nothing but a Java software, a development kit. So this software development environment used for making Java applications, used for creating or making Java applications. So the Java developers, means you are the people, you are the Java developers, used it for Java developers, used it for Windows Windows, Mac OS, Linux operating system. So Java developer use this JDK version, JDK, Java Development Kit, for running the Java applications. We are using this JDK. So we can use this JDK. You can install this JDK in the Windows operating system, Mac operating system, and the Linux or Solaris operating systems. Okay, so the JDK helps them to code and run the Java program. This is mainly used to run and execute the Java programs. The one point you have to remember, students, here, it is possible to install JDK more than one JDK version on same computer. So if you want to install JDK 17, you can install. Okay, if you want to install JDK 18, you can install. If you want to, so whatever the versions you want to be installed, you can install in a single system. So there is a possibility to install more than one version in the same computer. So this is only a simple concept. Here what I explained, Java, it's a general purpose object-oriented programming language which is used for designing, help the programmer for lesser implementation dependencies. Okay, and the one thing here is it's application development. It is providing a computing platform to run the Java applications. Okay, it is fast, secure, and reliable. So a platform, a Java platform, whatever the JDK it's there. So this is a Java platform. So here a development kit which is used for run the Java applications, and it includes all the execution engines, compilers, and set of libraries will be present. A collection of programs will be present in the JDK. So this is, you have to be remembered. Okay, in the next video I'll explain why we are using this Java. Okay, thank you.